Hello student, at last lecture we have seen the nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Today we are going to learn the methods of preparation of alcohols and phenols. Then first of all, preparation of alcohols. In this first method, that is hydroboration of alkenes. Hydroboration of alkenes means if alkenes is react with hydroborane in presence of tetrahydrofuran solvent, it gives that is alcohol. In this method, it gives that is trialkyl borane. In second step, this trialkyl borane undergo oxidation in presence of peroxide, that is alkaline peroxide, and it gives alcohol. For example, suppose here propene is react with hydroborane in presence of tetrahydrofuran, then it gives triethyl borane. Name of this compound is tripropyl borane. Then this tripropyl borane is react with by oxidation sodium hydroxide and peroxide, then it gives that is propyl alcohol and boron trihydroxide. This is first method. Then second method, that is by reduction of carbonyl compounds. That means by reduction of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. First of all, that is reduction of aldehydes and ketones. In this reaction, first of all, this aldehyde, that means having representation RCHO, if this react with, that means nickel or palladium, it gives primary alcohol. Again, if this react with lithium aluminium hydride, then it also gives primary alcohol. Suppose for example, here CH3CHO, that is name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde. If this react with nickel or palladium or lithium aluminium hydride, then it gives CH3CH2OH. That means name of this alcohol is ethyl alcohol. Then second reaction, that means by reduction of ketone. In this reaction, if this ketone is react with again nickel or palladium, it gives secondary alcohol. Also, this react with lithium aluminium hydride, also it gives secondary alcohol. For example, suppose here CH3CH3O. Suppose this acetone is react with lithium aluminium hydride, then it gives CH3OH, that means secondary alcohol. Name of this secondary alcohol is that is isopropyl alcohol or propane to all. Then this third reaction, that means reduction of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid having formula RCOOH. This carboxylic acid is only react with lithium aluminium hydride. Then in this reaction, it also forms primary alcohol. Lithium aluminium hydride, it gives 4 nascent hydrogen atom. Hence it gives primary alcohol. This react with this carbonyl carbon atom. These 2 hydrogen atom get bonded to carbon atom and 1 hydrogen atom on this oxygen atom. In this way it forms that is alcohol, that is primary alcohol. But this lithium aluminium hydride is an expensive reagent. Hence, for commercial preparation of this alcohol, at first this alcohol react carboxylic acid, if react with alcohol, then in first step it gives ester. In first step it gives ester, and in second step from this ester by reduction of ester, again in presence of nickel or platinum, it gives primary alcohol, that is RCH2OH. That means by commercial preparation of this alcohol, at first this carboxylic acid get transferred to this first ester, and then this ester get reduced in presence of nickel or platinum and it gives primary alcohol. Then third method, that is by addition of Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent means that is alkyl magnesium halides. Grignard's reagent means RMgX, means alkyl magnesium halide. If this carbonyl group is react with alkyl magnesium halide in presence of dry ether, then in first step it gives an intermediate product is called as adduct. It gives intermediate product called as adduct. In this reaction, that means on this carbon atom there is partial positive charge, on this oxygen atom there is partial negative charge. Again in Grignard's reagent, on alkyl group partial negative charge and on magnesium there is partial positive charge. Hence this R group, alkyl group, get bonded to carbon atom of this carbonyl carbon atom, and this MgX get bonded to oxygen of this carbonyl oxygen atom. Then in right ether it gives adduct. Then in second step, by acid hydrolysis it gives primary alcohol. It gives alcohol. It may be primary, secondary or tertiary. That means by this addition of Grignard's reagent, by this reaction on this carbonyl carbon atom, it forms preparation of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol as well as tertiary alcohol. Then first of all, preparation of primary alcohol. For preparation of primary alcohol, it requires formaldehyde. If this formaldehyde react with alkyl magnesium halide, again in first step it gives adduct, and by acid hydrolysis it gives primary alcohol. In this reaction also, this R group, that means alkyl group, get bonded to carbon atom of carbonyl carbon atom, and this MgX get attached on this oxygen atom of this carbonyl carbon atom. Then second, that means preparation of aldehyde, preparation of from aldehyde, that means preparation of secondary alcohol. In this reaction, this aldehyde except formaldehyde, if react with RMgX, RMgX means against Grignard's reagent. Then this aldehyde, again this R group get bonded to carbon atom of this carbonyl carbon atom, and this MgX get bonded to this oxygen of this carbonyl oxygen atom. In this reaction again this forms adduct. It gives intermediate product, that is adduct. And again by acid hydrolysis in presence of HCl it gives secondary alcohol. This is type of secondary alcohol, that means this hydroxy group is attached to secondary carbon atom, that means this attached to another 2 carbon atoms. Then third, preparation of tertiary alcohol. For preparation of tertiary alcohol, this reaction, that means alkyl magnesium halide is react with ketone. This react with ketone, that means on this carbonyl carbon atom there are 2 alkyl groups. This is called as ketone. This ketone is react with alkyl magnesium halide. Again in first step it gives a adduct. Adduct means, that means this R group get bonded to this carbonyl carbon atom and this magnesium on this oxygen atom, and it gives adduct. And again by acid hydrolysis with this HCl it gives tertiary alcohol. This type of alcohol is tertiary alcohol, that means this OH group is attached to tertiary carbon atom. This carbon atom is a tertiary carbon atom or third degree carbon atom. That means this carbon is attached to another 3 carbon atom or these 3 alkyl groups. In this way there are methods of preparation of alcohols. The next one, methods of preparation of phenols. In this first method, that is preparation from chlorobenzene. This process is also called as Daw process. This method is also called as Daw process. In this reaction, this chlorobenzene is react with sodium hydroxide at high temperature and high pressure, that means at 623 Kelvin or at 150 atmospheric pressure. Then in first step it gives sodium phenoxide. That means this sodium oxide is attached on this benzene nucleus phenyl group, hence it is called as sodium phenoxide. Then this sodium phenoxide, if react with dilute HCl, that means again by acid hydrolysis, it gives phenol. It gives phenol. This is first method. This is called as Dawes process. Then second method is called as, that means from cumene. Cumene means what? That is isopropyl benzene. Cumene means isopropyl benzene. See this structure. This is called as cumene or isopropyl benzene. In this compound, this isopropyl group is attached to benzene nucleus. This is isopropyl group, CH3, CH, CH3. This attached on this benzene nucleus, hence it is also called as cumene. This cumene by oxidation with air in presence of naphthalene, in presence of cobalt naphthalene at 423 Kelvin. In presence of cobalt naphthenate at 423 Kelvin, then it gives, that means this intermediate product, that means cumene hydroperoxide. This product is called as cumene hydroperoxide. Then this cumene hydroperoxide again decompose with dilute HCl. Cumene hydroperoxide is decomposed with dilute HCl and it gives again phenol. It is called as phenol, and byproduct is formed in this compound is acetone. It also gives another compound named as acetone. That means this acetone, this bond get break here, it forms acetone, and this OH group get bonded to this carbon atom and it forms phenol. This method is from cumene or isopropyl benzene. Then third method, from benzene sulfonic acid. Third method, from benzene sulfonic acid. In this compound, that means in benzene sulfonic acid, this sulfonic acid group is attached to benzene nucleus, that means SO3H, hence it is called as benzene sulfonic acid. If this benzene sulfonic acid is react with sodium hydroxide, then this reaction is called as neutralization. This benzene sulfonic acid neutralize with this sodium hydroxide and it gives sodium benzene sulfonate. It gives a product, is called as, in this compound, this hydrogen atom get replaced by sodium and it is called as sodium benzene sulfonate. This sodium benzene sulfonate again fused with sodium hydroxide, is fused with sodium hydroxide at 573 Kelvin. Then it gives next product is called as sodium phenoxide. This product is called as sodium phenoxide. In this compound, this oxygen is bonded with this carbon atom of this benzene nucleus, that means sodium oxide, and it is called as sodium phenoxide. Again this sodium phenoxide is react with dilute HCl and it gives again at last phenol. That means from benzene sulfonic acid. And fourth method, that means preparation from aniline. Aniline means, that means it is a primary amines, primary aromatic amines, that means NH2 group. It is a primary amine. This NH2 attached to this benzene nucleus, it is called as primary aromatic amine or it is called as aniline. This aniline is react with nitric acid having formula HNO3. That means in presence of sodium nitrite and HCl, it gives this nitrous acid. This react with nitrous acid at 273 Kelvin, then it gives at first, that means benzene sodium chloride. benzene diazonium chloride. At first it gives benzene diazonium chloride. That means on this benzene nucleus there are two nitrogen atoms attached, hence it is called as diazonium group. This is N2, means diazonium group. This attached to this benzene nucleus, hence it is called as benzene diazonium chloride. Again by hydrolysis it forms phenol plus nitrogen. In this way there are four methods for preparation of these phenols. Now today we learn the methods of preparation of alcohols and phenol. At first, preparation of alcohols. In this first method, hydroboration of alkenes or oxidation of alkenes. Second method, by reduction of carbonyl compound. In this carbonyl compound, first reaction with aldehydes and ketones. Second reaction with carboxylic acid. This reaction also with carboxylic acid. Then third reaction by addition of Grignard's reagent. That means alkyl magnesium halides with carbonyl compound. In this method, that means there is preparation of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Then from chlorobenzene, preparation of phenol. In this first method, from chlorobenzene, it is called as DAW process. Second, from cumene are also called as isopropyl benzene. Third one from benzene sulfonic acid. Fourth one from aniline. In this all this method it gives, that means final product is phenol. Okay, now today we will stop here. Thank you for watching video.